Hello, good day. David Bradley from the box room here, but I have something different today. I found this. It's SpongeBob. And it takes batteries, and it turns on, and it's very much like the Commodore 64 and a joystick. But does it work? That is the question. So first, I guess, I've got to get this cord undone some, and it is a tangled mess. Anyway, the two things here would be audio and video. But what is this? I don't know. Never heard of it before. Okay, cable. Oh my word. But one of the good things about these old Commodore monitors is they're good for all kinds of things. VCRs, DVD players, gaming. Well, this looks like some kind of gaming thing. Alright, so I will turn this to the back and look at the back. And it seems that there's a yellow and a white for video and audio. So we'll turn this on. I suspect I'm going to have to do a little switcheroo here, because I think I've got it switched with a separate. Anyway, I'm going to turn this on and see that nothing happens. Oh! Look at that. Oh, that is way washed out. Let me try something here. Ah! Look at that. SpongeBob SquarePants. Press fire to continue. Now, is there sound? Well, one would think. I'm going to press fire to start. Huge, mysterious bubbles are surrounding Bikini Bottom and blocking all the exits to the city. SpongeBob has taken it upon himself to burst every last one of these nasty bubbles and free Bikini Bottom once more. Bounce the ball into the bubbles using SpongeBob. Don't let the ball sink into the sand and get lost. Collect bonus letters to increase your score. Grab items to help you. Catch ball, slow ball, speed ball, flame ball, triple ball, spatula shot, widen SpongeBob, 5-way ball. Oh! Alright. Oh, I see. Aha. That went well. I have never seen or heard of this before. It does remind me of a lot of games. What's this thing? Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. Now, does that happen more than once? Oh, I guess it does. Nope. Okay, I think that might be. Ah! I think that's kind of straight on, so I'm going to go right underneath. Nope. Alright, maybe there. Almost. Maybe there. Nope. Maybe there. Okay, now what? What now? Do I have to get those things at the top? Oh, okay. I got something. Oh, we're going up. Oh, I almost missed that. Oh! I don't know what that was, but I liked the catch thing before. Whew. Well, this is pretty funky doodle. I wonder what's inside of it. I have never heard of this game, ever. Let's see what this is. Well, it made noises. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess I've lost the catch ball, and it does seem to be going slower. So the basics of this are also, if I want it to go one way or the other, I try and get it at that side of its head. Similar to many games of this nature. I don't know what this is. Oh, things are going faster now. That did not go well. That went well. That did not go well. That did not go well. Well, I guess as long as I don't lose him, there we go. It's going okay. Oh, that went on a nice angle. But is it going to get anything? This could be difficult. Well, I set it on an angle. Oh, yeah. Ah! Ah! Please don't make me go back to the beginning. Oh, no. I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. Now I gotta go straight up in the middle. Right there. And we will go to the next level. Oh. That's what I had in mind. Get up there. Get to the top. Nope, didn't get to the top. I don't know what this is. Oh my golly. Well, that didn't go well. That released 3 balls, and I lost 2 of them very quickly. Oh! Come on, get up there. Nope. Maybe. Nope. That went well. Oh yeah. Go up the middle. Ah. Okay. Oh, it's a fish. I think I want to throw it about there. Got 3 balls on the go. Got 2 on the go. No! Alright. I don't know what this spatula does. Maybe it just makes me bigger. Ooh, good stuff. We're on the move. What are these little weenie guys? And how far do they come down? I don't know. Okay, let's try that. Round and round and round. Oh no, I gotta get that. Gotta get the bonus, whatever that means. Ah! I'm dying. Oh well. First time I've ever played this. I think it's going okay. I think. But it's not going so well. Oh, maybe. Thought it might have gone up to the top, but it didn't. It should be up. Woohoo! Stage 5. We're cooking with gas now. Alright. I don't know. I'm going to try and toss it right there. See if it'll go up. And stay up. What is this crazy thing? Boy, that was lucky. Because I got 5 balls on the go, immediately lost 3 of them. That's done. Okay, back to 1. So it seems that whatever you get, whatever special thing you have, you can only have one special thing. And if you pick another special thing, or you catch another special thing, the first special thing goes away. Okay. Nope. Nope. Try and get it to the. There we go. Oh, what was that? You know, it didn't go away. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Nope. Nope. Yep. Yep. Now just up in the top. And we're on to the next. Nope. The next level. Nope. 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 Maybe on the bounce. Nope. Nope. Oh, come on. Yes. And up it goes. Never would have thought I would have got to stage 7. Yeah, I like this. I don't know if I want to get rid of this one. No, I don't think so. I think I'm perfectly content. Oh, I was perfectly content and I screwed up and caught it at the end. Oh well. Wider is not bad either. Nope. Tried to go for the glancing blow. Didn't work out. Ah! I thought I had that. How about that? Alright, I will press the fire button. Yes. Oh! No. Okay. How do we get out of this? No. Okay. There's a reset button here. Reset. 2003. Fire. Oh, there's 5 different games. Okay. You know what? I think that's enough of this for now. I guess I won't be going back to the thrift store to return SpongeBob, because SpongeBob works. Andrew, my little fellow, likes SpongeBob. Maybe I should get him up here and see if he wants to give it a try. Perhaps. Anyway, well, that worked out well. It did. I could give this a little bit of a cleaning. I've never heard of this before. But I'm glad I happened in today. I will give it a try. Who knows? I don't know how rare this is. Maybe not at all. I have to look online. Don't know what batteries. I suspect maybe 4 double A's. Anyway, thanks for being here. SpongeBob, thanks you too. Yeah. 5-way ball. That's crazy. Oh. I'm not going to play more. Just thought it'd be interesting to hear. Oh no. Oh no. I wish it played music. I wonder if there's a menu. But I guess it doesn't. Okay. There's the glove. I can use that. Alright, enough. Thanks so much for being here. I think maybe at some point I'll set this up in a different configuration so you can get a better look at the screen. And yeah, you'll have to have a look inside. See if it's got a little Commodore 64 in there. But I doubt it. Anyway.
That was easy.
Thanks for being here. In the box room, otherwise known as the Twilight Zone. Bye for now.